Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to create a space between this text. Okay, so let's begin. So we will click here at the end and we will press the space button once. And now let's check the result, and you can see that we have a space right here. And let's create a space between this one and John. So we will click right here and press the space button, and let's check the result. So we have a space between 1 and John. But if you want to create a space here, so we will not be able to do that. And if you want to do it right here or here or here outside the quotes, so this will not take any effect, and you can see we got the same result. So we can have a space only inside these quotes. Okay, so that's it for this video now. Okay, bye, thanks, and see you in the next lecture.